If you copy a page on a machine at 74%, you should get a similar copy of the page. What is the corresponding setting to obtain the original from the copy? So we start off with the original, and the original is always called 100%. So here is the original 100%, and it went down to 74%. So if we say 100 was the original size, it became a size of 74. But how did the 100 become a 74? We had to multiply it times 0.74. So the 100 became a 74 by multiplying it times 0.74. Now we need to go from the 74 back to the 100, so we think the same. What would I have to multiply the 74 times to get the 100? That creates an equation. Solve for the x. So that's 100 over 74. Divide both sides by 74. Now key that into your calculator, and you get a repeating decimal. Now don't erase it. Don't erase your screen, because we're going to work that with that number. So you get this number on your screen of your calculator. But remember, the x should be a percent. So on your calculator, say times 100 to change this number into a percent. So now you have 135% and some repeating decimal. It's a percent now. Now don't erase anything. We have the 135%. Now we need to remove the 135 so we could work with the decimal part. So we already know it's 135%. Now with your calculator, subtract the 135. That would keep you the repeating part. That would keep the repeating part. And now with the calculator and this on your screen, go to the key second, look for this symbol. This symbol is to change fractions into decimals and decimals into fractions. When you hit that, if it's a fraction, it changes it to a decimal. If it's a decimal, it changes into a fraction. So we have a decimal, and you're going to hit this button, and it's going to give you 5 over 37. Now bring the 135 that we had found and put the 5 over 37, and this number is a percent. So it's 135 and 5 over 37%.